Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Introduction to Raspberry Pi PICO by making a noise generator, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project which you will learn more about when working on it. Let's start. In this project, we generate multiple tones using Raspberry Pi PICO board. We have used a piezo speaker along with jumpers that represent the switches. Thorny IDE helps in uploading the MicroPython program to the PICO board. The major components you get to use and learn here are Raspberry Pi PICO board, Thorny IDE, and MicroPython software. This project can be extended to professional electric tone generators. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL given below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive alerts when we publish more of these DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.